welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new here. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. So for this video we will be creating some press-on nails for Halloween, and here I'm just taking my hand file and filing the back near the cuticle, that way it's not so bulky when I apply them. And then I'm taking my file also to file the free edge. And once I do that for all the nails, I'm just going in with some base coat and painting a layer over all the nails, and then curing in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. Once I let that cure, I'm taking my pink gel polish and painting half of the nail. For this design, I didn't know what I was going to be doing. I just kind of came up with something off the top of my head. Once I take my pink gel polish, I will take my white and paint the remaining, and then cure in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. And then I apply a second coat. Once I let that nail cure, I'm taking my black polish. This black isn't gel polish. I forgot to order some, so I'm just taking some regular black polish that I found that I bought a long time ago, and I'm just painting a layer over the full nail, and I will go in and do a second coat. This black was a little sticky because I did have it for a long time, so I did eventually end up adding some acetone and then shaking up the bottle, that way it came more loose. Once I applied 2 layers, I set it to the side to dry because, like I said, it isn't gel polish. Then I'm going back to the thumb. I just put some black nail polish on a piece of paper, and then I'm taking my design brush and just painting little lines to where in the middle where the colors meet. And these lines did look a little rough, but since it is Halloween, I guess it could kind of slide as like roughly stitches. And then for the middle finger, I'm just taking my white gel polish and just painting a layer over the whole nail, and then curing in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm going over with the white polish again and painting a second layer. Once that is all cured, for my ring finger, I'm just taking my same pink gel polish and just painting a layer over the whole nail, curing for 30 to 60 seconds, and then adding another layer. For my, I believe it's my middle finger, yeah, I'm just taking my black polish again, and I'm using my dotting tool, and I'm creating this face with stitched lips. So I'm just creating the eyes, and then I would take my line brush and do the smile. And I just want to say that this nail design is very easy. So if you are a beginner like me, you could easily achieve this look. Once I was finished with these set of lines, I let them dry, and then I went back in with my black polish to make sure that the lines look good as possible. Next, for my ring finger, I'm just taking my same black nail polish with my line brush and just creating lines down the whole nail. And doing hand-drawn lines can be very tricky because sometimes your lines won't come out as perfect as you want, but you just keep doing the lines, and then you just clean up the sides before it dries, or if you have gel polish, just clean it up before you cure it, and then go back over to make sure that the lines are thick enough. And then here I'm just going back over the lines once they dry to make the lines darker and to clean up where the lines aren't perfect. Then lastly, for my pinky finger, I'm just taking my black polish and panning a layer over the whole nail. Once it dries, I apply a second coat. Now for the exciting part, I got these water decals from Amazon. I will leave everything I use linked below if the link is still available. So for these water decals, you just want to cut them out from the paper and then let them sit in water for about 30 to 40 seconds. And if they sit kind of for too long, you will see how mine are already separating from the paper, which is okay still. You can still use them. Once they come off, you just pick them up and place it on the nail how you would like and just firmly press it down. So I applied the two pumpkins to my index finger, and then I'm just taking the girl with the butterfly and just putting it in the center of my pinky finger. And for some reason I wasn't really satisfied with the pumpkins, so I'm just taking these nail stickers that I will also link below. I just took the white ghost and just put 2 of them in between. If I had known I was gonna add these ghosts, I would have placed the pumpkins in a better position, but I didn't know. So yeah, I just put the pumpkins kind of in between the I put the ghosts in between the pumpkins. And once I got everything placed how I wanted, I just took my matte top coat by Modelones and just painted a good coat over all the nails, and then cured it in my nail lamp for a minute. Currently I have 49 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're watching this video, please make sure you subscribe below and like the video. It will really help me out a lot to my goals. And for those of you who have subscribed and continue to watch my videos, I just want to say thank you a lot. I appreciate you so much. But yeah, those who want to subscribe, I do nail videos, tutorials. I am a beginner, so yeah, subscribe if you want to see more of those. Once I cured them, these are how they look before I apply them. And then when I apply them, these are how the nails are looking. This design came out so cute to me. It was so simple. And if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.